Good day everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about hyperbolic function. Please, I want you to like this video. Make sure you share it with somebody. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, let's look at hyperbolic functions. Hyperbolic functions. Amen. Hyperbolic functions. Okay. You know well that let us recall trig functions. And you know that we know that trig functions are this one, sine theta, or sine x, or cos theta, or cos x, or cos any variable. These are what? Trig functions. These are trigonometrical functions. Amen. Okay, trigonometrical functions. Then today I want to look at hyperbolic functions. Hyperbolic functions are of this form. Amen. Sine x or sine theta or cos x or cos theta, whichever way. These are what? Hyperbolic functions. So you discover that they are different from trig functions. Okay, now we'll look at one example. Let us have this example. Show that cos square x minus sine square x is equals to 1. Simple as ABC. I'm going to teach you on how to show this, that the right hand side is equals to 1. Just listen to me and follow me up. Amen. Let's write solution. So when you come across questions of this form, note that they are hyperbolic functions. Amen. Okay. So cos square x minus sine square x is equals to 1. How can we show that the left hand side will be equals to the right hand side? That is what we want to look at. Okay. I want us to recall that note that cos x is always equals to exponential x plus exponential minus x all over 2, and sine x is equals to exponential x minus x all over 2. Take note of this. It means you have already solved the problem. How? It means instead of this, you are going to write this in this equation. So instead of cos x, you write exponential x plus exponential minus x all over 2. Instead of sine x, you write exponential x minus x all over 2. So let's do it together. Amen. So instead of this, we will write this. So here we are going to write, note that cos x is squared. So take note of that. Is that clear? So let's write it. Exponential x plus exponential minus x all over 2, all in brackets. What do you have here? Minus, make sure cos is squared. So make sure you square it. Minus sine square x is the same thing as sine x is the same thing as exponential x minus x all over 2. So put bracket, you bracket it because of this negative sign. If you don't put the brackets, at the end of the day, you will arrive at the answer. So bracket it, exponential x minus x. Make sure you square it because here is squared all over 2. Amen. Okay. So if you agree with me, we are going to apply elementary mathematics here. Let us take notes. Note that. Amen. Note that if we have a raised to the power 2, this is the same as a times a, true or false. Okay, so since we have exponential x plus exponential minus x all over 2 all in square, this is the same thing as exponential x plus exponential minus x all over 2 all in bracket times exponential x plus exponential minus x all over 2. True or false? Okay, so if you agree with me, it means this will generate 2 brackets, so you have to multiply out. But there's something I want us to take note. Note also that if we have exponential x plus exponential minus x all over 2, this is the same as exponential x all over 2 plus exponential minus x all over 2. Please take note, because I want to do something that you assume that it's confusing you. It is not confusing you, but I want you to just take note of this. So if you agree with me, let's do it here. If we have 2 brackets of this idiot, okay, let's do it together. It means if we have exponential x plus exponential minus x all over 2 all in square, we are going to write it this way. This is the same thing as exponential x all over 2 plus exponential minus x all over 2, amen, close bracket, times exponential x all over 2 plus exponential minus x all over 2. Do you agree with me? Okay, so it implies that as it is, this one generate this bracket. We try to simplify it this way so that we can multiply out the 2 brackets. That is why, that's the reason or the purpose of doing it this way. Please take note. Okay, so if you agree with me, okay, if you agree with me, let us multiply this bracket. This is going to give us exponential x all over 2 times exponential x all over 2. We're going to give us exponential x all over 2 dot times exponential x all over 2. I'm doing this for the sake of manias. This one multiply this plus exponential x all over 2 times exponential minus x all over 2. Then this one multiply this plus exponential x times all over 2 times exponential x all over 2, exponential minus x all over 2 times exponential x all over 2, then plus this one multiply this exponential minus x all over 2 times exponential minus x, amen, all over 2. True or false? Okay, so if you agree with me, here we are going to apply indices. Please take note. In indices, if we have the same basis, we add the powers. True or false? Like exponential x times exponential x. This is the same as exponential x plus x, which is equals to exponential 2x. True or false? Then this one, the denominator will multiply themselves. So this one times this will give us 2x. So exponential 2x. 2 times 2 will give us 4. What do you have here? The same thing applicable here. But here is going to be 0. True or false? Why? Because if we add the powers as, okay, let's do it this way for the sake of malians so that you understand it better. Okay, minus x. If you add the powers, this is how it will be. Plus all minus x. So minus times plus is what? Minus x is equals to exponential 0. And exponential 0 is going to give us what? 1. So here will be what? 1 all over 2 times 2, 4. 4 the same thing applicable here. This is minus x, the same thing, plus 1 all over 4. Then here is going to be minus because the exponential here is minus x, here too is minus x. So plus exponential minus 2x all over what? 2 times 2, 4. Okay? So this idiot gives us this. Then let us try exponential x minus exponential minus x all over 2 all in square, please. Okay? So let's just put it down here. This one gives us this idiot. So we'll write it this way. Please take note that this is equals to 1, sorry, equals to 1. Take note. Okay, let's write it this way. So instead of this, we write the idiot there. Exponential 2x all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus exponential minus 2x all over 4. Okay, mind you, there is minus here, right? Minus. Let us consider this one this way. Okay, so let me clean this one. Okay, this one will turn into minus. Amen. Okay, do you agree with me? We'll turn this one to minus. Okay, so if you agree with me, this is what we are going to do. Amen. Okay, so this one will now give us, we are going to do it the other way. We are going to do it this way. Exponential x all over 2 minus exponential minus x all over 2 times exponential x all over 2 minus exponential minus x all over 2. True or false? The way we do the other one, the positive one, that is cosh. Okay, so what we are going to do, multiply this. This is going to give us exponential x all over 2 times exponential x all over 2 because this one times this. Then this one times minus this is going to give us minus exponential x all over 2. Then times exponential minus x all over 2. Amen. Okay. Then this one times this. This one times this. We're going to give you minus exponential x minus x. Sorry, minus exponential minus x all over 2 times exponential x all over 2. We're going to be minus exponential minus x all over 2 times exponential x all over 2. Then minus times minus, we're going to give us plus. Then times minus x all over 2 times exponential minus x all over 2. So if you agree with me, we apply indices here. Here will be equals to what? We're going to give us exponential 2x all over, amen, 4. True or false? Because 2 times 2, we're going to give us 4. Then here we'll apply the same thing. This is plus, this is minus. Already here is 0. True or false? Exponential raised to power 0. Then anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. So 2 times 2 we're going to give us minus 1 all over 4. Amen. The same thing applicable here. This one times this is the same thing minus x minus plus x will give us 0. So exponential 0 will give us 1. Then 2 times 2 we're going to give us what? 4. 1 all over 4. Then here 2 is going to give us what? Minus x plus minus x is going to give us exponential minus 2x all over what? 4. Amen. So now we are going to substitute it here. Instead of what? This, we'll write this. Make sure you put the bracket. Okay. So let us write it out. Exponential 2x all over 4 minus 1 all over 4 minus 1 all over 4 plus exponential what? Minus 2x all over 4, which is equals to what? 1. We want to show that the left hand side is equals to the right answer. That is what we are trying to do. Okay, so if you agree with me, we are going to multiply out this bracket. Let's write this equation down. Exponential 2x all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus exponential minus 2x all over 4. This one times this minus exponential 2x all over 4. This one times this minus 1 all over. Sorry, minus times minus will give us plus here. 1 all over what? 4. Minus times minus will give us plus 1 all over 4. Minus times plus will give us minus exponential minus 2x all over 4, which is equals to what? 1. Amen? Okay? So you don't need the prophet to tell you. You don't need the prophet to tell you. Look at the left hand side. We can cancel out. This and this will go. Amen? Then, which other one? This and this will go. Two of us. So if you agree with me, can I clean this side? Okay? Okay? Let me clean this side. It's okay? So if you agree with me, we are going to have 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4. That is 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4, which is equals to what? 1. Three of us. Look at it. 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 4 equals to 1. So you discover that the denominator, the LCM is 4. Two of us. So 4 all over 4, 4 to 4, 1 times 1, 1 plus 4 to 4, 1 times 1, 1, 4 to 4, 4, 1, 4 to 4, 1 times 1 plus 1, 4 to 4, 1 times 1, 1. So this is equals to what? Okay? Do you agree with me? So let us add 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4. So you discover that 4 all over 4, this is equals to 1. So therefore, 1 is equals to 1. Simple as ABC. This is how to solve hyperbolic function. Please make sure you try and share this video. Thank you and God bless you.